In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Roblox error code 529. So this error occurs when Roblox servers are under maintenance, overloaded, or experiencing other issues. And here are some ways you may try. Solution number one is to repair your internet or Wi-Fi connection. If you are connected to Wi-Fi and the signal is poor, this might be the cause. Try moving closer to the Wi-Fi hotspot or connecting directly to the internet through cable. Solution number two, this could be a temporary issue with the Roblox servers, so check status.roblox.com to see if there are any outage or other issues. You can also check social media sites like Twitter, and if you know somebody on Twitter complaining about the same issue, there is a good chance it is a server issue and not on your end. And if it's a Roblox server issue, you probably won't be able to do much but wait or call Roblox support. Yeah, this Roblox.com support. That's it. Solution number three is to log out, then log back into your Roblox account. This error can occur if another device is logged in using your account. Try logging out, making sure you know your credentials, and logging back in again. You can also close your browser completely and restart it before attempting to log in. If this does not work the first time, try clearing your browser cache. Solution number four is to log out of your PC, Xbox, Mac, or mobile device. Occasionally, a simple reboot can resolve the issue. Solution number five, before contacting a specific Roblox game creator, try contact game's developer and test another game to see if you receive the same issue. Try playing other games to see if you get the same error. If the error only appears on one game, then send them a message. You can try contacting them through Roblox, but you must find them on Twitter, Discord, their website, or another social media site. Solution number six, do not overlook the obvious remedies of hitting the retry button, retrying, and retrying again. Solution number seven, try playing on a different platform. If you're using a desktop, computer, try playing on a mobile device or an Xbox to see if you can play without getting the issue. Solution number eight, perform a clean install of Roblox, then uninstall it from your computer or other device and reinstall it again. Solution number 9. Try the new Roblox Windows beta app. Roblox has a desktop software for Windows that may erase the issue. You should see a banner link that looks like this. Log in and visit the site. Then click the Try Now option to download and install the desktop app. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.